Are you my little cone head? Duke.
Don't pick on me.
You're so sad. Duke. Are you okay? Is he half sitting? Duke, sit down. Why don't you lay down? Are you really drugged up? Are you on a lot of drugs?
You're gonna send this to Anthony.
Oh, God.
Alright, before you go upstairs, I'm gonna try and see if I can get Danny.
Oh. Okay. It's like, fuck that cat. What? Okay, so